Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious zero-oil fried rice. Achieving this healthy dish starts with a few key principles. First, a reliable non-stick pan is essential to prevent sticking without added fats. Next, ensure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go before you even turn on the stove. Using day-old, chilled rice is also crucial for that perfect, non-mushy fried rice texture. Let's get cooking. Proper ingredient preparation is key to a smooth cooking process. Start by dicing your firmer vegetables, such as carrots and bell peppers, into small, consistent pieces. Mince fresh garlic and ginger finely to release their full aroma. Whisk a couple of eggs with a little salt and pepper, setting them aside. Finally, ensure you have about 3 cups of cooked, cold rice ready. This is vital for the best fried rice. Now for the zero-oil cooking method. Begin by heating your non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Instead of oil, add a small splash of water or vegetable broth to sauté your minced garlic and ginger until fragrant. Next, add your diced vegetables, cooking them until they are tender crisp. Finally, incorporate the cold rice and your chosen sauces, stirring everything together thoroughly to combine all the flavors. To finish your delicious zero-oil fried rice, push the rice to one side of the pan and scramble your whisked eggs until cooked. Then, mix the eggs into the rice. Add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and any other seasonings you enjoy, like a dash of white pepper. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped green onions for a burst of color and flavor. Serve your healthy, zero-oil fried rice immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.